Hi everyone, you're watching The Culture Cave. I'm Gabriella White, reporting from Hakodate port in Japan, and I'm standing here at the port in front of Hakodate mountain, and over here we have a very special ship. This is actually the Peace Boat. Absolutely amazing. She has set sail around the world. She's gone right around the world, and we are here today broadcasting from Peace Boat in Hakodate, Japan. Now, Hakodate is actually a very historical port with a lot of history between. It was actually the first port to welcome visitors from overseas. It's a really rich history, so it's a very prominent location and a special time to be here today. Standing here broadcasting from Peace Boat. I've been spending a little bit of time today with the crew talking about their mission, and it's been absolutely incredible. This particular ship is the Pacific World ship. She's actually the largest ship in the whole world to sail as far as she has. Now, on this specific mission, this is the 114th Global Voyage of Peace Boat. And she's been travelling around the Northern Hemisphere since April. We're broadcasting today, 5th of August 2023. Passenger crew is it's over 1,700 people, and there are lots and lots of jobs on board the ship. This ship has a really special meaning for me because I've had opportunities on many of an occasion to actually work on board the ship, but Peace Boat keeps finding me. so I'm just absolutely overwhelmed to be here at Peace Boat today. I actually turned the corner and here she was. So this is just absolutely incredible. I'm just incredibly moved right now. So you're watching The Culture Cave. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the voyage that she's had so far. So again, Pacific World is the largest ship that has ever sailed in the history of Peace Boat. She's been visiting 22 ports thus far. Today she has docked and she will be leaving the port at 10 p.m. tonight, going on to Kanazawa. Kanazawa is on Honshu Island. Hokkaido, where I am now, is the northernmost island of all of Japan. See, the Mashimaru Japanese ship. This ship is actually based in Japan, but she is widely connected through United Nations as a sustainability mission. The main point of the mission is to disarm the world from weapons and to spread messages of peace, hence the name Peace Boat. The sun is just setting now. It's such a beautiful time to be here. So she's been sailing since the beginning of April this year, actually. Mission is incredibly special because one of the highlights of the voyage has included observing an annular solar eclipse from the ship, cruising the Norwegian and Icelandic Fjords, as well as experiencing white nights through the voyage. Every Peace Boat mission is incredibly unique, so every route is different. Peace Boat was originally established in 1983, and it holds a Special Consultative Status with the Economic and Social Council, also known as ECOSOC, of the UN. Some of the places where she sailed, she started off in Yokohama, which is where the ship often departs from, on the 7th of April this year, going on to Kobe, Japan, Manila, the Philippines. Mid-April she was in Bali, Indonesia, Singapore, Colombo, Sri Lanka on the 25th of April. She then sailed for Egypt, absolutely amazing. Santorini Island, Greece, one of my favourite parts of the world. Heading on to Piraeus in Greece, Cagliari, Italy, Tarragona, Spain, Le Havre, France, Tilbury, London. That brings us up to May 25th. Aldasnes in Norway, then Tromsø, another beautiful place in the world where they saw the Northern Lights, of course. I've been lucky enough to see the Northern Lights there in Tromsø with friends. Then going on to Honningsvåg, Norway, a really big tour around Norway. Longyearbyen, Norway. Going on to Iceland at the beginning of June. I was in Okinawa at the time, first week of June. Going on to Akureyri in Iceland, Reykjavik, Iceland. Going on to Jamaica mid-June, Ocho Rios. She then sailed for Panama on the 22nd of June, Cristobal. Puerto Quetzal, Guatemala on the 24th of June, to the 25th of June, heading on to Mexico at the beginning of July, Honolulu, United States, and then on the 10th of July last month she returned to Japan waters, Japanese waters, Yokohama, Kobe, today Hakodate, and tomorrow Kanazawa. So she'll be heading south. She'll be heading south after this. You can see the laundry hanging there for passengers. Peace Boat Japan. So for some bizarre reason unbeknown to me, other than I have been involved with the United Nations and other related missions, Peace Boat keeps finding me in terms of job opportunities, and she had just docked here when I turned the corner this morning. Now Hakodate dock is just around the corner from Hakodate Morning Market, which is one of the most famous and most delicious sea markets in all of Japan. I have been here with friends from around the world, gathering, had a lovely breakfast yesterday with some Bavarian friends. There are friends here from the UK, France. We're now at the Hakodate cruise terminal. And I'm now heading towards Hakodate Morning Market and just going to get another view of the ship here. You're watching The Culture Cave. I'm Gabriella White here at Peace Boat Hakodate. Peace Boat sails biannually, I believe. Kyo, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. You're watching Gabriella White. I'm here at Peace Boat Japan. Thank you for watching.